Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today, I want to show you top best alternatives of Adobe Photoshop. There are so many similar softwares like Photoshop, but I am introducing top best alternatives of Photoshop. There is not comparison of Photoshop, but it is very huge in size. It require powerful PC for installing Photoshop. But if you have not powerful computer, you can also editing like Photoshop. Let's start. First alternative is Photopea. Open your internet browser and type photopea.com in search box. After open the website, there are 3 sections. First one is new project. Second open from computer. And third is PSD templates. Their bundle of templates. If you click on PSD templates, scroll down. There are so many templates. You can create your project by change the template. Choose one of them. Change it. And export it. Just click on File and click on Export As. Select Format. On the bottom, there is size of project. You can also change the quality of the project. You can also change the format from here. Write the name of project here. And click on Save button. Select directory where you want to save. Second alternative is Colortnik. Write Colortnik in search box and press enter. Open first link. You can upload a photo to edit, but I am selecting one of above photo. You can see there are so many tools like filters. You can apply filter on your picture. You can also apply mask on your picture, like animals, etc. You can also apply overlay, effects, and edit by tools, like rotate, etc. There is also graphics and frames in it. Third alternative is Pixelr. Just write Pixelr in your browser and press enter. Open first link. There are also 2 sections. First one is Start Design Project, and second is Start Photo Editing. Select one of them. And click on Start Design. Select Template. There are so many templates. Choose one of them. Use this template. You can change this template, like font family. You can also change the text. Last alternative is Sketch. Simply write Sketch in browser and press enter. Open first link. This is also similar to Adobe Photoshop. You can do everything like Photoshop in it. Simply download it and install it in your computer and make your project. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Please like and share this video to others. Consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.